What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And since it is Valentine's season, and I think it's good to review some good movies. And today I have watched Dear Comrade. The story revolves around a guy who is very violent, aggressive, but he is true to everybody in the college. There is always one guy in the college who is always like a grunter of everything. So this guy is similar like this, and somehow he met a girl, and he was in love with her sister, but suddenly shows up his emotions and feelings for her. But she said that maybe these are temporary, and I could really forget you. And he is really violent in college and always taking charge of everything around and surround him, and always creating panic, and every time fighting with all the other guys. So what happens is the girl is very enthusiastic about cricket, and she wanted to pursue it as a career and wanted to do something. But somehow this guy, he had a fight with another group, and the person they fought with, his relatives and father and other people, they were in a very, like, maybe might be in politics, and it was very hard for him to see all his families, loved ones, and all the people around him in a sad feelings about him. And he said, I know that what I am doing with my life, and I know how to tackle it. So sometime in this kind of situation, people becomes very I forgot this word for it. It means they just like to isolate themselves from other people, but they always care about them. It's a situation where you just feel good about others, but you don't want to let them know that you care about them. So he just isolated himself for 3 years. He cut off his connections with that girl and moved to other places. The good thing you will see, and the things that I really learned from it, that the elders in our society, in our culture, they always observe us. Whatever he was doing, his grandfather was always there to talk to him. And he said, this is a phase of life. Sooner or later you will come into your senses, and you will feel that you will find calmness in your attitude and behavior. But this needs to go on, and definitely this phase you have to walk by yourself. Some people, they learn the soft way, some people they will learn the hard way. Pick up, and in the end you will come to this particular place back, but with full peace and calmness. So that happened with him after 3 years. He worked with the team, those who are into this. Now listen it, right? So they are into this therapy. They love the sound, sights and sound and all this, and they give it as a cure to heal the PTSD, something like stress or all these problems. So after 3 years he met the girl, but she was not in that shape that he left. So she was stressed, and she was in the hospital. So finally he calls his friends and wanted to do something, but he just take a charge of it by himself, and then he ran away with the girl. She got it back to normal, and then he found out that she was harassed by the authorities in the cricket. Then he got his friends and then hit him in the office. Thus starts the trial. In that trial, because in our country it happens most of the time, in our area, in our Asian culture, they don't wanted the girl to be emotionally tortured in society with the taunts and all these sentences that they will use. So even though her father knew about everything, he didn't take a stand for her. So imagine that. That's a good dialogue that you will listen, that it's very good that you can You can ignore what is happening with your daughter, but you don't want to take a stand for what is happening with her. And she was emotionally charged with all this, and she felt really discomfort with the society. So she has to give up, and not only her but friends also. So what happens, somehow he found out from her friend. She was, imagine that the talented people are working at the sewing center and giving up this. He was broken. There are people who are broken like this. Imagine that if one person, a man, is destroying your future, if another man stand up for you, but there is another man in the house who doesn't want to take a stand for you, and that's a father. And imagine this guy said, now I am going to take a stand. Oh, well, in the trial it happens, and you will really see what she goes through. Imagine that she has to muster up courage to go through all this, but this guy said that this is our day, we have to prove. And he went to the police station also to lodge an FIR. And then he said it is up to us if we wanted to really bring something constructive out of it, so that these people who are in upper authority, they will not molestate and harass all the girls. And because for this person, you just give up your career. And thus, at the end of the movie, you will see that how this girl will muster up courage to say what she really needs to say. Because at certain situation, you will figure it out that the trial was over, but it was not until she speaks up. So I hope you will really learn something good from this movie, especially to take stand for your loved ones and talk to them whatever they are going through. And especially, love doesn't mean that you don't care about what is happening in their life. It's more about what is happening to you as well, and your actions, what the impact they have on others. So it happens for 3 years he didn't come and didn't show up. And during that gap, no matter he didn't forget her, she didn't as well. But in this time of life, when we have social media very closer to us, we really need to take care of people. We need to talk to them. Our words can heal someone's wounds. And you will really learn something good from this movie, and I hope you will really appreciate and watch this, and always care about the people around and surround. And the good thing I always love is that the bond that you have created in your school time, college time, those people are always, they are real buddies. So always embrace yourself, and especially others, for their weaknesses, and always be optimistic in talking to others. So thank you so much for bearing me. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
How did the bird there?
I told you there are, see, they are,
Look at the green.
it was 2 green parrots.